it seems that these days we've become an industry standard. We have almost a million monthly users. But the thing is, back then we were not aiming for the enterprise. We were really aiming for ourselves. So basically scientists, students, hobbyists. And we've reached a situation where we're used by a huge amount of people in a very large setting. And if you hear the news, it's all about the data. However, our goal was never to reach the mighty, but more to reach the many. And if you look at the average, the typical data set that people work with, the size is rather in the gigabyte, in a dozen of gigabytes, rather than in petabyte settings. So this is actually a good news because this was the type of data that we had, and it seems that it's the type of data that many people have. Another interesting data point is that this amount of data is not increasing with time. Basically, the typical data set that typical data scientists work with has a fairly constant size. So once again, it seems that our usage is typical of many usages. But if we go beyond this, we hear a lot in the news about applications of data science or machine learning or artificial intelligence to very, very large data sets on very, very difficult problems. However, if we step back and we think about the impact that machine learning or artificial intelligence can have on society, well, there is one is that it can concentrate wealth in the hand of a few mighty actors and create more inequalities in wealth and power. But there is another possible consequence, is that it can also improve medicine, education, public policy, and open new doors to little people. And this is personally what I'm interested about. And to achieve these goals, we need to enable machine learning without very large resources, infinite data, and Ivy League education. And this is basically what I'm excited about.